Hello, guys, and welcome back to another pair. And this will be the GPUSD breakdown. And if you notice very well, if we not with in a while, you've seen that in the previous month, I haven't been trading GPUSD like I always used to, and that was because of the indecision going on in the pound and euro. So I was just like, okay, I'm going to choose one between the pound and euro USD and GPUSD and the indices. I think you can see that we're trading indices quite a bit, and yeah, I think GPU USD is just starting to make a little bit of sense, and we're looking to trade in it. So you could see that right here that after the price has fallen here, we're having some sort of correction here. All right, we have a low, lower low. We have the correction move here. So we had a range right here. The price made a correction. We had another low, and we had another correction, and then another low. Here is where the thing changed. All right, the new high made here was higher than in the previous low, lower low, and you can see that the low it's created here is just a little shorter. So now we're having higher highs and lower, higher highs and higher lows. So continuation, we might be expecting a new higher high, right? Probably going to break this, but I'm very sure the price is going to react. So we might be having some sort of a wobble up here, or maybe the price is still going to respect this trend line, yeah, because we've been seeing this, and we are also seeing the same thing of Euro USD. We're seeing that the price is just trying to climb up, trying to correct itself, and just like I said, Euro USD, everything is on and here is bullish until this trend gets broken. So let's say in any scenario, we have this trend got broken, yeah, and that is it. That will be a major sell. That will be where we conclude, okay, we having a new lower low, and we might be selling. But if the price respects it and we're still climbing up, I think might still be looking for bulls. And that is why I'm not ready to sell GPUSD yet. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you could see much more clearer. Okay, so let me delete this. I think I've made my explanation here. So yeah, it was just me analyzing. I didn't actually pull this. So, but there's an OB here. So we might be expecting the price to test there. So this was the previous trade I took on GPUs. This was actually a personal trade I took previously in GPUs. It was a late entry. You could see yeah, would have been the perfect entry, but you know the price tested here, started this OB, and I was expecting to buy, but I wanted this range to be tested multiple times, and to get that full confirmation on GPSD. I've not been trading for a while, so I wanted a complete confirmation. So if I should use the playback, and this could have been the best place for me to just put my limit, my buy stop. I could have just put in the buy stop here, and maybe my stop under here, and TP probably here. So you could see we could have gotten activated here, but actually I got my entry just after the price made a new high, and it actually broke the structure here. So you can see that we have a structures here. So I'm going to play it again. You're going to see, and so the price broke the structure. You could see that, and when it retested, it created like an inside bar. If you check the 15 minutes candle, creating another OB, and that was when I made my entry on the bullish. You could see. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. You could see. So that's it. So the price broke structure, retested, just simple entry, SMC entry, tested here, make a new high, broke the structure, retested the previous OB, but didn't get there. You could see now we have a new continuation, breaking this or structure again. Sorry about that. I'm going to. So this new structure created here was also broken. Yeah, and we have a continuation. You can see the price continued. Yeah, broke the structure and retested it again. Came back down here, and we had another. You could have put in another entry here, but I didn't. So I just continue. Just close some few profits around this area. But let's say we've entered from here, my profits could have been, a little bit more bigger and more to have make more sense, more money. So you could see that the price actually tests this OB, and I was expecting it to continue, and it continued. This was my TP. Actually, I didn't wait for the price to get here, so um, I just completed, and you can see that since the price got here, it reacted to the OBA because we actually have a resistance here and a order block as well. So the price reacted, and we could see that it reacted forming a bearish move. So if I fast forward this and make it go a little bit faster, we had this broken this structure. So if you go to the 30-minute time frame, this is our 30 minutes OB. So you could see that the price has broken the structure right here. So basically what we're expecting is price to come back to the previous OB, probably here, test here, and then maybe we could continue bullish or down here. So these are the two places I could expect price to test before continuing bullish. And that's what I'm expecting at the moment. And I think that was okay, you could see. So what we could do here is we could just set a buy limit around here and maybe around here as well. So we could be having something like this. It was snap. So I'll be putting my stops like that, and TP TP might be here because we're projecting the price is going to go bullish, and the second projection would be that the buy limit should be here, and we could be expecting the price to move here. Yeah, so that's the two entries I'm expecting on GPUSD. All right, so the buy limit will be here, buy limit will be here to see which one is going to get activated and where which OB is going to get the liquidity grab, and we're going to move up probably by a London session. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next pair. Thank you guys and see you.